Have you been trying to get rid of your excessive weight only to find yourself lacking the motivation to hit the gym? When exercise and diet don't make the cut, you may need something extra to boost your weight loss. The pros have consumed and recommended Leptitox for gaining a faster weight loss. So the big question is Leptitox genuine and safe? Can you really count on popping in a weight loss supplement pills? This video is made after conducting extensive research and reading plenty of Leptitox review online. So by the end of this video, you will get answers to those pestering questions with authentic honesty. Now let's dive right into the unbiased Leptitox review and find out its authenticity. Leptitox is an all-natural supplement for weight loss. With a bag full of proven results, Leptitox is a fat-burning pill designed and manufactured by Sonia Rhodes and Morgan Hurst. These fat burner dietary supplements help you to achieve weight loss a lot faster compared to any conventional method by ketosis. In this method, your body gets into a starvation mode and starts to release your body fat storage instead of carbohydrates for energy. Leptitox do not only aid in burning off unwanted fats, but it also enhances your metabolism exponentially. It is also known to control hunger pangs, especially your unhealthy food craving, which also inhibits you from consuming more fats during the process. Now let's talk about the notable pros of Leptitox. It regulates and helps to maintain sugar levels in your bloodstream. It increases your metabolism rate. It suppresses your food craving. It burns calories but oxidizing your body fats. It's also an all-natural ingredient used filled with essential vitamin and antioxidants. It prohibits fat storage from food. Now, speaking of the con, there is only one notable con, which is that Leptitox cannot be purchased from an offline store. Unfortunately, you cannot buy Leptitox from a physical store. When you need one, you need to order it online from its official website. So you can check the description of this video for the link to Leptitox official website. Now let's talk about the ingredients of Leptitox. Leptitox is manufactured with 22 essential plant extracts, which makes it healthy and safe to use. The ingredients are Marian thistle apium, Gravolian seeds, grape seeds, brassical jujube, green tea extracts, Chanca pedral barberry, beta hydroxybutyrate, and Texacum leaves. So as you can see, it's all natural. If you want to order for yours, you can check the description of this video below for the direct link to Leptitox website. So how does Leptitox work? The working mechanism of Leptitox supplementary diet pills can be broken down into 3 different steps. 1. It puts your body in the starvation mode, which is known as ketosis. 2. It starts eliminating the toxins from your body. And 3. It breaks down leptin resistance and it curbs your hunger pangs. If prior to taking Leptitox, you had led an unhealthy lifestyle as far as your diet is concerned, then it is a no-brainer that your body will be full of toxins. These toxins heavily pollute your body and also clog your liver, due to which it starts to malfunction. Therefore, after putting your body on ketosis, Leptitox starts to flush out all the toxins out of your body. Brassicas and Marian thistle are the ingredients in Leptitox that aid in detoxifying and purifying your bloodstream. These ingredients are again backed with green tea's extracts, which help to boost the process of detoxification in your body. It also helps to lessen the leptin resistance in your body gradually. Although weight loss is the major reason why you consume Leptitox, but in the first place, the BHB ingredient in Leptitox will also make you more energetic. So go to the description of this video to click on the link there to direct you to the Leptitox official website. Now, how will you use Leptitox? As compared to other dietary supplements, Leptitox is a lot easier to consume since they come in the form of pill rather than smoothies. A detailed prescription will be sent to you by the manufacturer along with a supplement that mainly states the following. 1. Takes 2 pills every day. Take 1 pill before breakfast and 1 before dinner. Keep a gap of a minimum of 8 hours between the consumption of the pills. To gain more from Leptitox, it is essential that you do not follow things. Take the pills with water only, no milk or soda. Consult a nutritionist and chart out a proper keto diet plan. Drink a minimum of 7 to 8 glasses of water every day and start exercising in the morning daily. Now let's talk about who should use Leptitox and who should not use it. Although Leptitox is manufactured by using natural ingredients of 22 essential plant extracts, but it does not mean that everybody can consume it. If you are above the age of 18, irrespective of your gender, you can safely consume Leptitox and enjoy its numerous benefits that have already been discussed. On the other hand, if you fall under any one of the following 3 categories, then you should strictly avoid using Leptitox and other fat burner. 1. If you are below 18 years. 2. If you are pregnant. And 3. If you are a breastfeeding mother. Leptitox side effects is a weight loss dietary supplement that has been clinically proven and FDA approved. This makes Leptitox less prone to side effects as compared to any other counterpart. Still, the experience might vary from person to person, and hence you might notice mild lightheadedness. If you feel lightheaded upon consumption of Leptitox, then you should not be alarmed. These side effects generally happen due to changes in diet, from calorie-rich to keto. There might also be a slight drop in your blood pressure when you are on a low carbohydrate diet, which makes you feel dizzy. You should also note that if you have a medical history for allergies, then consulting a physician before starting Leptitox is advisable. Now, where can you buy Leptitox and which kind of deal can you get? When you search online to purchase a bottle of Leptitox, you will be bombarded with a plethora of sites that claim to give you huge discounts. But I'm gonna give you a caution. Stay away from those sites, because the manufacturer has not even listed Leptitox on Amazon, and hence you must buy the product directly from the official site of Leptitox to get a genuine product. So to get the direct link of Leptitox, check the description of this video for the direct link to Leptitox website. Now let's talk about the shipping and return policy. Leptitox is available for online purchase from all over the world. Therefore, irrespective of whether you live in United States or any country you are from, you can still enjoy the benefits from Leptitox. The manufacturer has also provided a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, in case you are unhappy with the results of this weight loss dietary supplement, you can easily return the bottle within 60 days of purchase to the fulfillment center. While returning the product back to the manufacturer, you should add a special mention of the following details for a hassle-free successful return. 1. The ID of your ClickBank mentioned in the order receipt. 2. Your full name. 3. Your full postal address. 4. Your email. And 5. Your mobile phone number. So, after watching this, I believe you are now able to decide if Leptitox is for you. In case you need our opinion on Leptitox, we believe if you have a firm determination to lose weight, then Leptitox will help you immensely in achieving your goal. So guys, eat healthy and stay healthy. So if you need this product, check the description of this video for the direct link to Leptitox website. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health review. Guys, have a nice time. Bye bye.